scenario, all we know about this scenario. This is land fragmentation. We know about the land fragmentation. These are the challenges ahead of us for mechanization of various operations, and we all know about these challenges. We know we are selling annually the 9 lakh tractors per year in India. But the mechanization level still is far low. Only the land preparation operation is mechanized about 80 to 90%, but other operations are still less than 50%. Only wheat cropping system is mechanized, but the other crops are still waiting for mechanization. Constraints for low mechanization, maybe the subsidy, whatever the subsidy grant is there, 50% grant is given to the tractor industry, and 30 to 40% is for land preparation equipments, and rest for seed drills, planters, sprayers, threshers, harvester. All these equipments are given only 10 to 15% of grant under subsidy. So that the tractors are working only for 300 to 400 hours per year. When I was child, there was only 1 or 2 tractors in the village. But when I went to today, when I went to the village, there are 40, 50, even 100 tractors are there. But the equipments, if we count in that village, we need 100 tractors plus 1,000 equipments. But there are only 200 or 250 equipments. That's why we need to have it around 700 to 800 working hours per tractor to get at least the economic situation of that customizing center, and finance availability for low cost equipment is not available. Even though there is a less subsidy from the under government programs, we tried to build an ecosystem with the government, and we have provided around 18,000 broadband for a planter. This is the CRIDA design model. We, as a manufacturer, we manufactured those units and supplied around 18,000 units in 2014-15. Next, we have a private project with Quality Agri Science. Previously, it is a pioneer one. Pioneer company came to us and they raised a question that farmers especially in MP, even though he wants to plant the 50 acres of maize crop, he is not able to plant because they are using a manual method to plant the seeds. But when we provided the solution, we have especially the maize planters, and these planters are supplied in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. This is the private project, and we mechanized the maize sowing operation during 2018 to 21 and supplied around 5,000 units of planter. Next, we are also engaged with Maharashtra government in POCRA scheme, and under the POCRA scheme, we are providing the BBF planter wherein the tractor, the farmer who is willing to purchase the tractor, he has to compulsorily purchase the broadband for a planter for planting. Also, we are working with the MP government for promotion of these broadband for planters. Now we have some few other equipments which are suitable for conservation agriculture. This is a Vivo subsoiler. This is no-till planter. Even though the available planters can be easily used for conservation agriculture. Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Sachin, for a wonderful presentation on mechanization. So now I request Dr.